I want some extra income. Any ideas on how to earn online?
I got one for you. What about dropshipping? It's an excellent way to start your own business online. You won't need to worry about huge investments, any inventory, or shipping. This is an awesome opportunity to have a really high profit that you control yourself. Moreover, this is the kind of business that you can run from anywhere in the world.
Well, sounds good, but actually, I don't have any experience on how to build and run this kind of business. But I love this idea, so what's next?
It doesn't matter if you are a total newbie or a true expert in dropshipping. We have the ideal solution for you. Our custom store is perfect for a hassle-free start and immediate profits. You will get a unique dropshipping store with all necessary tools and options to run your own business successfully.
Cool. How to get it?
You order a custom web store. Then, your personal support manager gets in touch with you to work on your project from start to finish, taking care about everything. Our team will help you to choose a profitable niche, add products, develop, and customize a professional web store. We will also ask you to fill in our questionnaire. This way, we will learn your requests and preferences. It's recommended to work in a niche you're passionate about, or at least know quite well. Basically, you can choose any niche you like. So, in just a few days, you will have your own dropshipping business ready to make the first profit for you. From the technical point of view, your web store is fully ready for operation when we hand it over to you.
Do you mean I will get a store ready to bring me profit instantly?
Of course! When our work is done, you can start selling immediately. Everything is set up already, so you can accept payments and process orders right after getting the site from us. Our automated solutions help you run and promote your store easily. Your profit depends on your own promotional efforts only. Some of our clients, like Alex and Muslim, are making huge money with these stores from the first month.
Well, I think I got it.
Cool! Just choose the package that suits you best and let's start your dropshipping journey today.